So, when you think about food and cooking, especially thinking about cooking for other people, what specifically do you think about? If the answer that comes to you is love, you, my friend, are in the right place. So, this might sound a little bit squishy today, but if you're like me and you love food and you love to cook, then you get this. In having my personal chef business, the money's great. And, the schedule is great. I work the hours I want, only during the days, not nights and weekends. But really, at the end, really why I'm doing this, why I'm a personal chef and why I do what I do is just for the love of it. It's for the love of cooking, for the love of giving that to other people. I mean, but it's not just what I get from sharing it with them, it's actually what I get back from them, their love of my cooking, the love of what I'm giving to them, like to them, which is like more time if they just don't want to cook, the abilities to be with their families instead of spending that time shopping and cooking and cleaning and preparing dinner every night you know, but even past that, for my clients that are on special diets, the health that they get and the benefit of being able to eat the way they need to eat and still having it be delicious and having that prepared for them, it's just that's for the love of it. And that's really why I do what I do as a personal chef and why I'm so passionate about it and sharing it with other people too, because it makes me laugh that there are people in this world, and I mean more than just like a couple people, who think that you have to go to culinary school to be called a chef or it's just so overwhelming that they don't get started with their own personal chef business. And, maybe you're letting that stop you too. Or passionate cooks who are stuck in restaurant jobs or really any kind of kitchen like that, like catering or hospital, assisted living or school or whatever. And they just hate it. And there are literally thousands of people out there working jobs just like that. Horrible working conditions, terrible low pay, schedules that don't let them see their families and their friends. I mean, the world would just be such a better place if passionate cooks, the people who know in their heart that they love to cook and they love to provide that to other people, if they had the confidence just to step up and into that, to be able to get what they deserve from it and to be compensated, to be able to be paid well, to share their passion and their love of food and cooking for other people who aren't able to or don't want to, and they want to pay for it. I mean, honestly, it is a beautiful thing. And that is what I truly believe. And that's why I do what I do. And that's why I share it with you because it's my mission to help you. I can't cook for everybody. I don't want to cook for everybody. If you're a passionate cook and you're a home cook and you need the confidence for that, to take the next step to be able to share and be able to nurture people with the food and you want to give it to people, dude, I am here for you. Or if you're a culinary pro and you are just burnt the F out, or even if you maybe like your work, but you know that it could be better. It could be a better schedule. It could be better money. It could be, cooking your food that you love and not somebody else's. I am here for you too. And in a successful personal chef business, there are just four areas to focus on. You make your personal chef business plan. You need to decide your specialty, what you want to cook, and get your recipes together. You need to decide what services you want to do, whether it's meal prep or catering or cooking lessons or a combo or even something else. It's your business. You get to decide all that and your pricing for your services, right? And then second, setup. Everything from writing your business plan, how much do you want to make? What are your goals? Are you going to go as an LLC or something else? your business bookkeeping, your insurance, all those things that make it a business and not just a hobby, right? And then third is finding clients, figuring out the best, fastest, easiest way for you to get paying clients and doing it. And then the fourth thing that every entrepreneur has in their business is just managing your mind around accountability. When you're your own boss, what do you do when you're not doing what you know you're supposed to be doing? What do you do like when you're procrastinating? What do you do if you're in a slump? Or how do you get out of confusion? Or what if you're overwhelmed and not doing the work? Basically, how to entrepreneur, you need to learn to manage your mind around that part so that you can keep moving forward through the getting started part and moving into the making money part. As a fully functioning business, getting paid to serve clients and sharing with them your love of cooking, your passion for food, and having them love your food and loving their life more, of getting that time back. And it gives them their health, their time, and everything else they want to have that is so important to them that they're willing to pay for it. So if that's you, if you really love to cook great food and you love to share it with other people, I have a ton of resources for you. You can get my free guide on how to do meal prep for clients. You can check out the training in the Personal Chef Business Academy, and or you can book a call to see if we're a good fit for one-on-one coaching. All those links are right below this video because listen, I'm telling you, the clients are out there and they are hungry for what you're cooking.